Honestly, we came into the sweep not really expecting to win since I've seen a lot of the innovations that the other teams have proposed, and I could see that they were all as equally as good as ours. We were in our last sem of college, and it can get pretty hectic when you are about to graduate. So it was really more on time management, but somehow we managed to get through that because I would say it is because of how our team is structured. We all have our specialized roles and we do our roles pretty well. Hi, I'm Cris. I'm the team leader for the champions of the 14th Sweep Awards. So last year's entry, we called it Eryl. It was basically a mobile application that allowed for students who are struggling with their classes to open up a tutorial class online that tutors within the application can apply to teach. Back when I was in second year of college, we had a few, or not really a few, a lot of students who were having difficulty with a certain subject. So what we did was they would come to me and some of my other friends and they'd say, hey Cris, can you teach me about this? Can we have a study session? Maybe we should have an application where students who are struggling can find tutors that will help them with their lessons. I was selected to be the representative for Huawei Seeds for the Future program. So we were brought to Shenzhen, China and Beijing for 2 weeks of immersion. The second week was more technical. We were brought to the Huawei campus, wherein we were able to learn more about the technologies that Huawei is investing in, like 4G, 5G. We were also taught about IoT, how the setup for these technologies work inside their labs. My advice for those of you who are aspiring to innovate would be envision, collaborate, and always remember to persevere until that dream becomes a reality.